Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M13 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find biometrics and security. Now let's tap on fingerprints, which should be on the second position. Let's tap. And here, if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then as you can see, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. If not, your device will ask to add new ones, so you will have to have the backup pattern pin or password, whatever. It is very important, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device without the need to go through the hard reset operation, which will of course wipe out all of the data. So it's very important, and you will not be able to add the fingerprint without a backup screen lock. So just set new one, or enter the pattern or pin or password, whatever you have. And here we've got the information about the fingerprint, so you will be able to unlock your device, verify yourself in apps, and so on and so on. So just tap on continue, and here we've got the information, we've got animation, what we have to do. So simply scan the fingerprint. We have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the side of our device on the power button. So let me do it. And as you can see, right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully, and try to catch every corner for better recognition, of course. Alright, and as you can see, it was quite easy, fortunately, in this device. So if you want to, you can add another. If not, just tap on done. And here we've got the fingerprint settings. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can tap on it, and here we can rename it. So if we want to, why not? Let's call it index, and we can remove it if you want to, right here in the right upper corner. Just tap on done. As you can see, it has been changed immediately. What's more, we can add the fingerprints. So I believe we can add up to 5 fingerprints. And here, if we've got a lot of fingerprints added, then we can check them. So let's tap on check added fingerprints, and after putting particular finger on the sensor, your device will show you which fingerprint it is. So for example, let me use my pinky, and as you can see, there is no match. So it will just check your fingerprints. And here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for. So the fingerprint unlock, and here the fingerprint always on, which means that you will be able to unlock your device just by touching the sensor without the need to press it. Here you can decide also to use the fingerprint to sign to the websites or to the Samsung account. Here you've got some info about unlocking with biometrics. It's up to you if you want to check it. Okay, enough of talking. Let's go back. Let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually, this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Samsung Galaxy M13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.